First, you need to verify that your Arctic King air conditioner model supports Wi-Fi connectivity. Not all models have this feature built in. Once you've confirmed compatibility, the next step is downloading the correct mobile application. Download the Smart Home app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android. This app was formerly called the Arctic King app, but has been updated and rebranded. After downloading the app, you'll need to create an account and register your device. Create your account within the Smart Home app. This single app supports multiple appliance brands including Medea, Comfy, and Arctic King, making it a unified solution for smart home control. Now for the technical requirements. Your air conditioner will need to connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network specifically. Most smart air conditioners require a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network connection. Make sure your router broadcasts this frequency, as 5 GHz networks typically won't work for initial setup. The final step in the initial setup is putting your air conditioner into Wi-Fi pairing mode. To enable Wi-Fi mode on your Arctic King air conditioner, press and hold the fan button until the Wi-Fi LED indicator starts flashing. This signals that the unit is ready to connect to your network. You've now completed the initial setup phase. Your Arctic King air conditioner should be in Wi-Fi mode and ready for the pairing process with your Smart Home app. Once you have the Smart Home app installed, open it and begin the pairing process. The app will guide you through connecting your Arctic King air conditioner to your home Wi-Fi network. The app will prompt you to select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Some Arctic King models require an additional step where you connect your smartphone directly to the air conditioner's Wi-Fi hotspot during the initial setup process. Once successfully connected, your Arctic King air conditioner becomes a smart appliance with multiple remote control capabilities. You can control temperature, set schedules, customize sleep curves for nighttime comfort, and receive important notifications about your unit's status. The Smart Home app provides hands-free voice control integration with popular smart assistants. You can control your air conditioner using Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri commands for compatible Arctic King models. Recent Smart Home app updates include an enhanced energy dashboard with AI EcoMaster reports that help you monitor and optimize your energy consumption. The app also features scene updates for smarter energy use and automatic comfort adjustments based on your preferences and usage patterns.